Hey, what's up you guys? In this video, I will show you how to create a Discord account. So let's jump into it. So first, let's open up Discord and tap on register. Now input your nickname or your username and your email address and then create your password. Once you're done with all these information, you can tap on create an account. Once your account is created, you need to create your server. So there are many templates you can choose from. We have games, friends, and etc. But for this video, let's tap on create my own. Type in your server name on the text box. You can upload a photo for your profile picture. And then tap on create server. On the next screen, you can input the topic that you want. And then you can tap on take me to my server. Tap on allow. And now you are all set. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.